good afternoon. Today we're making some bake. Gonna make some bake. This is 1.5 cup, 1 cup, 2 cup, and 3 cup flour. I'm gonna add some milk. This is bake, making bake. Add some baking powder. Some of this your flavor, gonna make some flavor. Okay, let's like a 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, a little bit of salt. My first, I'm gonna use this. I don't know. This is cilantro with garlic and scallion. Okay, we'll have a 1/2 teaspoon. We add some yeast. We don't add sugar, cause a lot of us we don't too much sugar in the house. Okay, then we're gonna add some warm water. So mix this. It's for breakfast anyway. You don't make a lot. We have some salmon. I'm gonna do this fry. A little more water. A little bit at a time so you get the dough come together. Make this all in like sit for like 1/2 hour. You're gonna need a little more water. And you add a little more flour to it. It's too sticky. It's not agreed. Let me get this water off the tin before it falls. Take the water off of the table because I don't want it to fall. Let it sit and rise. Then we're gonna roll it out. We're gonna fry it. Alright guys, and that's it. You have it there. I'm gonna cover it and let it sit. Alright, come back and show you the next step. Thank you. We wrung it out, the flour, make little balls, like little small piece balls, and then we're gonna be flatten it out like this. We're gonna roll it out. We're gonna roll it out and the chunky. We have the flour there. Okay. And then we have the oil on top of the stove. Okay. show you the next one, and that's it. Alright. And that's the bacon we mixed earlier. Now we're frying it. And we did the salmon. This is what we're gonna have for breakfast. Can't make them too big, cut it. Yeah, the spot is small. Like them small. Yeah, brown sugar, then you're gonna have brown. But we have the turmeric. We have that like yellowish color. That's how we like it. Like not too sweet. We don't like our bake sweet. Because when you get age, you try to eliminate the sugar. It's gonna be heavy breakfast. Later on we're doing burgers for 4th of July. Everyone, happy 4th of July. Everyone enjoy the 4th of July. And the next holiday is Labor Day. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Alright, you guys have a great day. Good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make some salmon, fried salmon, the one in the can. I opened it earlier. This is it, the salmon, red salmon. We open it and we take out all the fat and the bone. Alright, and this is what we have out of it when we don't clean it out. Okay. Put oil in there. I have a lemon I'm gonna put on it. First we're gonna do the garlic, pepper. This is sweet pepper. Half a sweet pepper. This is half pepper. Tomato. Onion. Scallion, potato. And here we have cilantro. I'm gonna add some of this custard. Some adobo. A little salt. Some Cajun seasoning. This is some Cajun seasoning. A little bit of pepper flake. And black pepper. I'm going to put half of the lemon, the lime, I mean. come back and show you the rest, okay? I'm gonna add some water to that. Gonna add some water and let it cook. Okay. A little bit of water. I want the potatoes to cook. When it gets soft and fry it up when they boil out. Okay, come back and show you the next step, okay? Some more water. Gonna add some more water. That is not fully cooked. Add a little more water. Potatoes stay hard. A half a cup. You want the potato to be like 10, let me show you. It's still hard. See, it's still hard. Okay? It's not knife, it's not going through. I'm gonna boil a little more, okay? I didn't put the salmon. I put the salmon in the last minute. The salmon is still here. I didn't put it in yet. We'll come back and show you when it gets tender, okay? Now we're gonna add the salmon. Add the salmon. A half of the lemon. A little more Cajun seasoning in. That's a little touch up and the seasoning. That's it, guys. That's the salmon with the bacon. Show you up close. Okay. This is finished. Eat the salmon, bacon. Oh, it's so delicious. It's so delicious. The bake with the salmon. So delicious. Thank you, guys. It's breakfast we make.